Hi boys and girls, welcome to Science. This week we're continuing to learn about living and non-living things and basic needs of living things. And now we're going to learn about a basic need of plants. This is soil. We're going to talk about soil and why do plants and trees and flowers need soil. Let's go ahead and read. Have you ever searched for buried treasure in your backyard? If you have, you were digging in soil. Soil is another important natural resource that all living things need. Soil is a layer of loose material. It covers most of the land on Earth. It is found in forests, deserts, and fields. It is even found on the bottoms of oceans, rivers, and lakes. And as we see this label in this picture, it says soil. There's even soil under the water. Living and non-living. There are living and non-living things in soil. Soil is made up of bits of rock and mixed with water and air. In soil, there is also material from dead plants and animals. Billions of living things called organisms live in soil. Organisms break down dead animals and plants. The dead plants and animals then become part of the soil. In this picture here, you see the label. It says dead plants, dying and becoming part of the soil. Give and take. Dead animals and plants add nutrients to soil. Nutrients keep living things healthy. Nutrients in soil are used by plants and animals. Plants take in nutrients from the soil through their roots. We see in the picture there's roots. Animals get nutrients from the soil by eating plants or eating other animals that eat plants. Animal droppings then add nutrients back to the soil. Making new soil. Soil forms very slowly. It can take hundreds of years for 1 inch, 2.3 centimeters of new soil to form. New soil is formed when rocks break down into tiny pieces. This can happen when rocks are hit by wind and rain. Did you know plants can also break rocks? Small plants grow in rock cracks. The plants break the rocks into pieces as they grow bigger. We see a plant coming right through that rock. Types of soil. Where and how soil is formed can create different types. Sandy soil is a type of soil that holds little water. It is light brown. Few plants grow in sandy soil. And we see in this picture, the label says sandy soil. Clay soil holds a lot of water. It is sticky. Strong trees can grow in clay soil. Loam soil is the best type of soil for growing plants. It holds just enough water. It has lots of nutrients. In this picture, the label says clay soil, and in this picture, it says loam soil. Boys and girls, it's a nice day. Maybe later, ask your mom and dad and get someone to go with you to go outside and kind of dig a little bit in the yard and see what kind of soil you have. You have sandy soil, clay soil, or loam soil. Living in soil. Plants send their roots deep into the soil. Roots hold the plants in place. Roots take in water and nutrients from the soil. Full-grown plants drop seeds in the soil. The seeds grow into new plants. Here in this picture, there's 3 labels. It says new plant. I see the seed, and this label says roots. The roots grab into the soil. Many animals and insects live in soil. If you dig in soil, you may find earthworms. Earthworms are important soil animals. They move nutrients through the soil. They also dig holes in the soil which let in air and water. All right, boys and girls, thank you for learning about soil with me. I would like you to draw a picture and color it of a plant in the soil. So you could pause this video and kind of draw this illustration, or just kind of draw what you think it looks like when a plant is in the soil and the roots are down underneath. All right, boys and girls, thank you for joining me for science.